Sometimes the journey isn't about the destination. It's about the fire that keeps you moving when every breath gets heavier. This is not a race. This is not a competition. This is a promise to ourselves. We are here to ride not just on roads but above them. To cycle where the air is thin but the spirit is strong. Umling La, 19,024 feet above sea level. The world's highest motorable pass, and you're taking it on 2 wheels. 4 riders, 1 dream. Le, Umling La and all high passes, cycling to the sky. Today, it's not about speed, it's about listening to the mountains. Every breath here teaches us how to climb tomorrow. And so, it begins. After months of dreaming, training and preparing, we finally leaving Leh.
David, and we are in Leh for our Ladakh mountain bike tour. So this tour is gonna be like around 10 days, and within these 10 days we are gonna ride like more than 1,000 kilometers and more than 12 to 15,000 meter of altitude. And since the guests are very special, they are not normal riders, they are like hardcore racers from Switzerland. Since they have brought their ultralight racing gravel bikes, which are like 6-7 kgs, and since I didn't have a gravel bike, I'm gonna ride my MTB with some changes like gravel tires and aero bars. So yeah, quite excited and nervous a little bit, but yeah, looking forward to it, and we'll keep you updated. See you.
Today we start our ride towards Umling La with the first stretch to Rumtse. It's not just the distance, it's the altitude, the wind, the silence.
14 किलोमीटर राइड होगी कंप्लीट और हम पहुंच गए एक्सिया मॉनेस्ट्री। आप देख सकते हैं हमारे पीछे, और बहुत ही सही पेस पे चले हुए हैं हमारे सारे राइडर्स।
Each turn of the pedal takes us further from comfort and closer to challenge. Leh sits at 11,500 feet. Rumtse is higher, the oxygen thinner.
बहुत तेज़ है, तो अभी हम सब रुके हैं थोड़ा पानी के लिए।
We ride together because this is more than a journey. This is a promise to reach the sky.
अपना आधे से ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस कवर कर चुके हैं और पहुंच गए हैं मेरू के पास, जो कि यहाँ से 2 किलोमीटर और आगे है। और उसके बाद आज हमारा स्टे होने वाला है रूम से। सो रूम से यहाँ से हार्डली 15 किलोमीटर दूर है, तो मैंने सबको दे दिया है बनाना, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स एंड ऑल। इसके बाद अब मैं डायरेक्ट निकल जाऊँगा यहाँ से आगे, और डेविड जो है इन सबको कवर करते हुए पहुँच जाएगा। सो फाइनली होम स्टे तो मिल गया, तो ये प्यारा होम स्टे और बहुत ही अच्छे लोकेशन पे मिला है मुझे ये। अगर आप कभी मनाली से आते हो तो रुमसे से पहले आपको इस जगह से यहाँ आपको ये होम स्टे मिल जाएगा। प्राइस भी काफ़ी रीज़नेबल है और लोग भी काफ़ी अच्छे हैं। तो वेट करता हूँ मैं अपने राइडर्स का, देखता हूँ कब पहुँचते हैं बंदे।
After hours of climbing, spinning and silence, Rumtse comes into view. A small village tucked between giant mountains, and tonight it becomes our shelter.
So finally पहला दिन हुआ ख़त्म, बहुत ही इजीली पहुंच गए हम रूम से, और हमारे गाइस थोड़ा रिलैक्स कर रहे हैं। तो यहाँ पे मिले हैं हमारे अंकल, और अंकल बना रहे हैं यहाँ पे याक फूल का। तो ये काम आता है पहनने के लिए। इसका बाद में जैकेट बनाएंगे जो सर्दियों में पहनने के काम आता है। अच्छा अच्छा, सर्दी के लिए होता है।
Rumtse, the last bit of civilization before we leave the familiar behind. It's quiet here, a different kind of quiet, not empty, but full of presence. The mountains don't speak, but they watch. The day begins early at Omtse. The mountains still feel like giants, but today we'll be climbing one of them, Tanglang La. At 5,328 meters, it is considered one of the highest motorable roads in the world. But for us, it's just another mountain to conquer. And the road is calling us, winding and steep, but clear in the early light. Nee. As the altitude increases, the air gets thinner. Each breath becomes a little harder, but every pedal stroke brings us closer to the summit.
Hop, Michael!
We're almost there. The air is thin, the mountain high, but we are stronger than ever.
पहुंच गए हैं। So Mike, how are you feeling here?
Feeling great, going strong.
Okay. Are you feeling the altitude or something?
Yeah, I felt it.
Okay.
But slowly and steadily.
Right, very nice. And now take some rest. Okay. Andreas, so Andreas, how are you feeling here?
I'm feeling well.
Okay.
It's also here up.
Okay.
Really nice experience.
It's your first time here?
It's my first time above 5,000 meters.
Okay.
First time on Tanglang La.
Okay.
Crazy.
Okay,
Crazy experience.
so enjoy and take some rest. Okay.
Thank you.
So
Then gravity takes over. The road unravels in front of us, a ribbon laid across the mountains. The cold bites our fingers, but the thrill of the descent keeps us warm. Every turn opens into a new valley, and every valley feels like a secret Ladakh is slowly revealing.
पहुंच चुके हैं हमारे गाइस, और अब हो चुका है लंच टाइम। तांगलांग ला से नीचे आने के बाद हम पहुंच गए हैं डिब्रिंग, और अब यहाँ पे थोड़ा लंच करेंगे। ऑलमोस्ट 55 किलोमीटर कर चुके हैं हम, तो अब देखते हैं कि लंच में क्या मिलता है हमको। हाँ जी भाई, क्या हाल है और कैसा चल रहा है आपका राइड यहाँ तक?
बात तो मज़ेदार है, मज़ा आ रहा है, वाट भी लग रही है। जो क्लाइंब ऑफ द डे था वो हो चुका है आज का, which was Tanglang La. So now we are gonna have lunch here. Afterwards, we still have like around 60 km to go. So yeah, everyone is doing fabulous. Everyone is super strong, and moreover, everyone is enjoying the tour. So that's what matters the most by the end of the day. So yeah, this is where we are gonna have lunch and short break. Afterwards, we head towards our final destination.
फाइनली लंच करने के बाद अब हम निकल पड़े हैं ऑन द वे टू समदो। समदो यहाँ से है 61 किलोमीटर, तो थोड़ी सी बाट लगी है बच्चों की, तो देखते हैं कहाँ तक जाते हैं हम। मौसम तो डेविड चला हुआ है सबसे पीछे, और मौसम थोड़ा ख़राब लग रहा है। आई डाउट कि बंदे चला पाएंगे कि नहीं।
We roll into the Changtang Plateau, a land of wind and space. Here the horizon feels endless. Nomadic tents dot the landscape. Herds of Pashmina goats graze under the watch of lone shepherds. This is Ladakh's wild heart.
we have now an average speed of 22.8 watt.
Okay.
Normally in Switzerland we have 35, so we have to work a little bit more now, but it's headwind, it's really tough now.
And you, Michael, how are you feeling here?
Sick. Tired.
Okay. इस तरह से हमारी राइड चलती है, तो अगर आपने भी ज्वाइन करना है कुछ ऐसी एपिक राइड्स के लिए लद्दाख में, जो कि माना जाता है वर्ल्ड की सबसे टफेस्ट टेरेन में, तो आप भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो हमारे साथ. कुछ इस तरह का सेटअप रहता है हमारा.
Just when the road seemed to be easing, the mountains changed their mood. Dark clouds gathered fast, swallowing the last bits of sunlight. The wind picked up, carrying the scent of rain. And then it came, cold, sharp, and relentless.
You wanna sit in? You wanna sit in? Okay, come. No, it's not dangerous, but if you want, then you can sit in the car. Okay, तो उन्होंने मना कर दिया है, तो इन्होंने प्रेफर किया आगे जाना. तो आई होप कि अपनी जर्नी कंटिन्यू कर सके. तो
like it's raining heavily here and it's super cold and
Chilling, eh? Chilling in the back seat.
yeah, super.
Hunting some cum.
Right.
Strava cum, eh?
फीलिंग सो कोल्ड आई गेस. तो इसको पड़ेगी अभी कपड़े की ज़रूरत, क्योंकि बहुत ठंड है यहाँ पे. और हमारा माइकल ही वांट्स टू कंटिन्यू, और ये निकल गया सीधा आगे. ब्रो, क्या चाहिए आपको? कपड़ा चाहिए क्या? दिख गया, पहन ले कुछ यार. फिलहाल भाई के लिए तो रेनकोट निकाल दिया मैंने. आई होप इससे बंदा सेट हो जाए. क्यों भाई, हो जाएगा ना इससे, तो काफ़ी है इतना. तो सो कोल्ड हियर, तो सारा सामान बाहर निकालना पड़ा है फिलहाल. बट चलो, अब इसके बाद तो सीधा स्ट्रेट और डाउन ही है, तो वो बारिश ना हो यहाँ से आगे.
In minutes we were soaked to the skin. The cold found its way into our gloves, into our shoes, into our bones. Up here, there's nowhere to hide from the weather. You can't wait it out. You just keep moving. Each pedal stroke now came with a shiver, but also with the stubborn fire to reach shelter before nightfall.
They पहुँच गए. Okay, so okay guys, we are done. Yeah. Okay, so we made it. बंदे पहुँच गए हमारे यहाँ पे. बहुत ही सही पेस पे आए दोनों बंदे. हमारे दोनों साइकिलिस्ट बैठ गए अंदर, थोड़ा ब्लोर सेक रहे हैं, और माइकल भी अब पहुँच गया है. So we reach. Okay, finally.
After a long day of battling rain and rough mountain roads, we finally reached Samdo. The journey was cold, wet, and exhausting. But now, comfort waits for us inside Hotel 3-star Homestay.
Especially in Shimla, these are valleys, right? Every valley.
Out here, this small bridge is fighting the rain and darkness all alone. And just across it, we found a warm homestay waiting for us. After a day like this, nothing feels better than hot food, dry clothes, and the comfort of knowing we have a roof over our heads tonight. Day 3 started slow. Rain kept us waiting till afternoon. But the skies finally cleared, and we hit the road to Tsomoriri. The air feels fresh, the views wide open. And honestly, after yesterday's storm, it feels like we're alive again.
So, सुमदो से आगे हम काफ़ी आगे, और 10 से 12 किलोमीटर कर चुके हैं कवर. तो हमारे गाइस भी पहुंच चुके हैं एक पास पे. और यू कैन से समथिंग अबाउट द स्प्रिंट. सो इनकी बॉडी कह रही है स्प्रिंट के लिए कि इन्होंने स्प्रिंट कैसे किया है यहाँ पे.
5,000 meters.
Yeah.
Not a good idea to sprint.
Okay, but you can test yourself.
That too.
Yeah.
Just a few kilometers away now. Tso Moriri is slowly appearing. The closer we get, the more unreal it feels. Two bikes, one endless road. And behind them, the beauty of Ladakh unfolds. This is the ride we'll never forget. Riding on the edge of Tso Moriri feels unreal. On one side, the vast blue lake stretching endlessly. On the other, the mighty Himalayas guarding its silence. Out here, every turn reminds us why we came, for moments that feel larger than life. Leaving Tso Moriri behind wasn't easy. The lake felt unreal, like a dream painted between mountains and sky. Riding along its shores, we felt small, yet so alive.
So boys are here, the weather has become a little better and the views are next level.
Michael is pushing hard on the downhill. Every curve, every drop, he flows with the road. From the car, it's a challenge. Just to stay with him, this is pure focus and adrenaline in the Himalayas. The high Himalayas, nature always has the last word. Just minutes ago, the road was clear, and now it's swallowed by a sudden flash flood. The water is fierce, unpredictable. Even cars are trapped, powerless.
देखते हैं रास्ता थोड़ा ट्रिकी होने वाला है. हम सोच रहे हैं कि यहाँ से निकले. अगर यहाँ से निकलते हैं तो शायद निकल पाएंगे.
This is day 4. आज हम जा रहे हैं समदू से हनले और हमारे सारे राइडर्स रेडी हैं जाने के लिए. डेविड भी रेडी हो रहा है. तो आज का दिन काफ़ी सही होने वाला है. 110 से 120 किलोमीटर की राइड रहने वाली है, बट इट्स ऑन फ्लैट, तो शायद ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी आज इतना जाने की. मौसम भी एकदम साफ है. लेट्स सी. फाइनली थोड़ा सा स्नैक्स खाने के बाद हनले की और हनले अब यहाँ से ज़्यादा नहीं तो कम से कम 70 किलोमीटर के आसपास होगा. They are looking fresh enough. They can reach easily. तो हम भी इनके पीछे जा रहे हैं. अब देखते हैं कहाँ तक इनके साथ फॉलो अप कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि they are so fast. सो अब हम पहुंच गए हैं हनले और अतुल जो है हमारे क्लाइंट्स के लिए पपीता काट रहा है और काफ़ी जल्दी ख़त्म कर दिया हमने. अभी फ़िलहाल 2 बज रहे हैं और वी आर ऑलरेडी हियर.
Right? And yeah, how was the day? Like something like one-liner or something?
It was very fast and I was
Did you enjoy it?
I enjoyed and
That's the
I enjoyed
important thing.
that I had 2 locomotives with me.
Cool. Okay, so like yeah, you can have the fruits. Fruits are waiting, and we can
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you so
have some
much.
rest.
Thank you.
सो हम आए हैं हानले में और ये हमारा इवनिंग टाइम है, तो वी हैव लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम, क्योंकि आज का जो दिन था 3 घंटे में ख़त्म हो गया था, तो बंदे थोड़ा वॉलीबॉल एंजॉय कर रहे हैं हमले में। हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड में वॉलीबॉल खेलना थोड़ा टफ रहता है, तो बट वी आर एंजॉयिंग गाइस।
High in the silence of Ladakh lies Hanle, a remote village that touches the sky. And here, at over 14,000 feet, stands the Indian Astronomical Observatory, one of the highest on Earth, a place where the universe feels just a little closer.
गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, आज हम निकल रहे हैं हनले से। आज हम करेंगे चिशमले। सो माइकल, हाउ आर यू?
I'm scared.
Scared? What do you think?
Scared about this pass over there
Okay,
because it's so steep,
right.
so steep.
Okay. For you it's nothing. For you it's nothing.
You see, that's the problem. It's too big.
इन्होंने 44 लगाया, तो शायद जरूरत पड़ सकती है इनको कहीं ना कहीं किसी चीज़ की। All the best, Michael.
Good morning. I think too it's gonna be a big challenge with this setup.
Yeah.
So big chain rings, but we will give our best, and yeah, we'll enjoy
Okay.
as well.
Okay, Andreas, all the best to you.
Thank you.
तो आज का दिन होता है स्टार्ट। अब बंदों को मिलते हैं ऑन द वे। ओके, सी यू ऑन द वे।
From the quiet plains of Handla, we move forward, chasing the road towards Chishamli. But the path ahead is anything but easy. Waiting for us is Fotila, rising above 5,524 meters. It is one of the highest and deadliest passes of this entire journey. As we begin the climb, the sky turns gray. A storm brews above these desolate mountains, and the first drops of rain strike our faces like warnings from the heavens. The air grows colder, the wind sharper. At this altitude, oxygen thins, making every breath feel shorter, every movement heavier. It's a route rarely traveled, isolated, exposed, and unforgiving.
देखो कोक देते हैं फटाफट से। कोक 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 भाई, पियो ब्रो पियो। दिस इज फॉर यू।
Crazy climb, huh? Wow. Fucking hell ramp. Whoa.
It's crazy, right?
Yeah. But it's awesome.
Yeah.
So impressive. Never seen that before.
This is gonna be your lifetime memory.
I would say so.
Yeah.
What do you say? Would you like to come back? Absolutely, yes.
तो भाई की कॉम्पोजिशन,
That's awesome.
दोनों ही
That's the
खतरनाक
spirit.
बंदे।
For centuries, only nomads and traders dared to cross these paths. And even today, it remains one of Ladakh's most remote frontiers.
I feel bad that I didn't say.
No worry, no worry. It's a part of game. कि सही पेस पे आ रहा है बंदा।
Come on!
Whoa. तो सारे लोग खुश हैं। 5500 meters from sea level, और इनका पहली बार।
The highest point in my life. The ride was crazy hard,
Okay,
especially with the weather.
right.
It was cold, feet, fingers, and now the weather is getting better. I'm so happy that I made it. Thank you for all the support.
Yeah,
It's
we
really
are
great.
we are here for you guys. Okay, now it's all downhill. Okay, so. But seriously, bros, इस ऑल्टीट्यूड में साइकिलिंग करना भाई साहब, अरे करें ना थोड़े की बस की बात नहीं है ब्रो। 5500 मीटर्स 5400 मीटर्स में लोगों को सांस नहीं आती है, टाइम ऑक्स खाना पड़ जाता है, और यहाँ बंदे जो है इजीली साइकिलिंग करते हुए डिसेंड कर रहे हैं। कैंपिंग के टाइम खाना कुछ ऐसा बनता है, बंदे वेट कर रहे हैं खाने के लिए, और मैं प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूँ एक साइड मैगी और एक साइड सूप मशरूम वाला। मैगी लो भाई, चलो जी दे दो परे।
Michael had turned back when the storm first hit Fotila. But some climbs keep calling you back. Now, from the other side of the mountain, he takes on the challenge once more. The climb is long, brutal, and silent. Just the sound of his breath mixing with the thin air. Every turn feels like the last, yet the summit hides further away. The body asks to stop, but the spirit refuses. Step by step, meter by meter, Michael pushes higher. Finally, a drone sweep reveals the prayer flags fluttering on the top. And then, after one of the hardest climbs of his journey, Michael reaches the top of Fotila at over 18,124 feet, the world's 6th highest motorable road.
Made it, man, you made it. Congratulations, man. Many congratulations. So what will you say about this climb?
I'm quite happy.
Okay.
You're quite strong. Could
Yeah.
push all the way.
Yeah. So, congratulations to you, man.
A pass few dare to ride, and even fewer conquer. Restricted skies, thin air, and a mountain that demanded everything. Yet Michael stood at the top, a victory carved in silence. As we ride closer to Shishimle, the road itself begins to speak. Through the words painted by the Border Roads organization. Each board carries a message. Some bring a smile, some make you think. And then comes the shot that defines this ride. The Umling milestone, standing proud, marking the path to the highest road in the world.
Hello, good morning.
How are you feeling right now? And
Much better than yesterday.
you okay?
Today we attack Umlingla. That's the highest motorable road
Right.
in the world. So it's gonna be a tough day in the office.
Yeah.
I'm excited
Okay.
because I think it's like going up to the moon. It's so high.
Okay.
Hey, good morning. Didn't sleep that much because we been camping. Camping is not my preferred sleeping
Okay.
possibility. So I try to give my best today, but it's gonna be a hard day.
Yeah.
You know, my Garmin, look, show what it shows. It recommends me a recovery day.
Okay. But you're
Do a
doing against.
hard way.
Yeah. I hope कि हमारे जो तीनों राइडर्स हैं ये कैच अप कर ले उंगलीला तक. All the best, Michael. Okay, so see you on the way. तो ये है हमारा कैंपिंग स्पॉट उंगलीला के बेस में. अब डेविड और अतुल जाएगा ये वाली गाड़ी लेके और मुझे सारा वाइंड अप करके डालना है अपने कैंपर में. तो आई थिंक 1 घंटा तो लग ही जाएगा इन सबको वाइंड अप करते हुए. लेट्स सी कब तक पकड़ता हूँ मैं उनको. बंदे ऑलरेडी निकल चुके हैं उंगलीला के लिए. मिलते हैं ऑन द वे.
Today, we ride towards Umlingla, the highest motorable pass on Earth. At over 19,000 feet, the air is thin, the roads are unforgiving, and every pedal stroke feels heavier than the last. With our 44 chain ring, this climb has pushed us to our absolute limits. The body screams to stop, but the heart whispers to keep moving. This is not just cycling anymore. It's survival, determination, and the will to conquer one of the toughest climbs of our lives. And with every turn, every breathless push, we inch closer to the roof of the world. Umlingla.
Yeah.
I cannot could speak.
तो ये बोल नहीं पा रहे तो इनको ज़्यादा तकलीफ नहीं देंगे. तो look at the calf, man. तो अतुल भाई क्या कहना चाहेंगे? कैसा फील कर रहे हैं आप यहाँ?
यहाँ पे नहीं इतना ऑक्सीजन लेवल कम जितना फोटिला में लगा.
ओके.
तो बाकी तो अभी फिर भी बाकी है.
चलो.
देखते हैं पास में मिलता है.
ओके.
Finally, we made it. Umlingla, the highest motorable road in the world. After days of struggle, pain, and pushing beyond our limits, here we stand, at the top of the world. Words fall short. Emotions take over. Some of us are speechless. Some have tears in our eyes. But in this moment, we all feel the same. Victory. We hug each other, not just as teammates, but as brothers who fought this battle together. This is not just a destination. This is a memory we'll carry forever. A reminder that nothing is impossible when we ride with passion, with courage, and with each other. Umling La, conquered.
Any words? No words. इनके चेहरा बता रहा है कि किस तरह से आए हैं यहाँ पे.
We are finally at the world's highest motorable pass, at the top of world's highest motorable pass, which is Umling La. And look at our riders. These are like machines, and they made it like all the way from Switzerland. These guys are amazing, and it's pretty cold actually, almost drizzling. So yeah, I'm pretty happy, really happy for like whole team. Everyone did perfect almost, like no one had any problem. Obviously, riding at this altitude never gets easier, but these guys are machines. So really happy to make it till the top as a team. So yeah, really happy.
After submitting Umling La, the highest motorable road in the world, our journey didn't end there. We turned our wheels back towards Leh, retracing the mighty mountains that had tested us on the way up. Over the next 4 to 5 days, we crossed some of Ladakh's most legendary passes and rode alongside the breathtaking Pangong Lake. Each turn, each climb, and each descent reminding us how far we had come. This wasn't just a cycling trip. It was an epic journey of struggle and survival, of brotherhood and belief, of pushing beyond limits we never thought we could. The landscapes were vast, the climbs endless, but what we carried back was more than just memories. We carried stories, emotions, and a bond that will stay with us forever. From Leh to Umling La and back again. This was more than a ride. This was a dream turned into reality.